let me present my paper entitled Detection of Product Container Defect Using Automatic Visual Inspection, System Design and Performance Evaluation. Here's the author, it is myself and my college. Okay, this is the outline of my presentation. Okay, so for the first, we know that we enter the Industrial 4.0 era. So there is a lot of improvement or advancement in computer, camera, sensor, and robotics technology. So the impact of the technology advancement is also impact the automation in industry. One of automatics implementation in industry is visual inspection, which we know it is for replacing the human as a visual inspector. Okay. For example, the inspection in the battle product container. We know that the battle product container is a mass product that we can inspect, and there is a lot of probability that there is a defect in the battle container. So here we will implement the camera to visually inspect the battle, and we can add some software or algorithm in the PC, which as a processor. And here's the probability of the defect in the product container. This is an example of one of the commercial product of some cosmetic product. So there, for example, we can see that the defect is the misaligned label, that is to misalign in the left or in the right. And also there is a probability that the battle is, or the container is cracked. So here's the original one that passed the inspection. So the contribution of our manuscript is we provide comprehensive system design of automatic visual inspection in the product container. And then we also supply a comprehensive method for evaluating its system accuracy, and also provide the method for evaluating system performance regarding to system complexity. Okay, for the system design, we have several steps. So we already know that the image of the product container already acquired by using the camera and image acquisition, and then we can have some image preconditioning, and we will set the some reference coordinate to ease or to ease the detection algorithm. Yeah. And then we can have some algorithm like misalign, correct bottleneck, and also some incorrect label detection. And then we can have the result of the visualization, and then we can store or log in the computer or PC, and then we can take some further action, for example, to control the actuator. The image processing is to precondition, to make some initial condition of the image. So for the example, we rotate the image if it is not rotated yet, and we also take one of the RGB image so that we will have its process in gray level. And then the next task is the system task is to find some reference coordinate. So here we use the upper body of the product container as a reference coordinate. So using this coordinate, we can detect easily where is the label position or where is the neck position. And then we apply the algorithm to detect the mislabel detection. So the algorithm is to making some line, and then it detects the line intensity. And from the line intensity, we can know that the label is misaligned, left or right. And then for the crack bottleneck detection, we implement uh, we make some line detection in the bottleneck, and we can see that there is a difference pattern in line intensity the between the correct one and the defect one. So in the defect one, there is a some low intensity range here. So we can, based on this, we can detect that it is correct or fail to pass. And then we made some performance evaluation, which we have a 100 image as a ground truth, and we simulate it in the computer using our proposed algorithm. And here we have some comparison between the the detection and the performance in terms of probability of detection and false alarm. Okay, it shows that with reference coordinate, it's better because the probability of false alarm is 0. But without using the reference coordinate, it will increase the probability of false alarm. Okay. And then we also inspect the performance by its execution speed. Uh, from this, we know that the algorithm actually for the detection is fast enough, but the most uh, time consume time consume process is finding reference coordinate. Uh, so this is a most consuming process. Okay, so the conclusion is our proposed method is successfully detect the misaligned label and crack battle, and then also minimize its probability of false alarm. The additional processing for finding reference coordinate adds some computational complexity which affects the execution speed. So our future work is we have to optimize the algorithm to determine the reference position, and also the algorithm for detection of misaligned and also crack battle is made to some general for various type of battle container. Okay, that is my presentation for AC Messi. Thank you for your attention.